Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this battery compartment into the chassis. So we're going to need that, and we're also going to need these two little white plastic bolts. We need plastic here so that the battery doesn't touch metal and cause a short circuit, so we need the plastic ones. We need these two little aluminium posts as well. There's two lengths in the kit. There's a shorter one which looks like that. We don't want that one for now. We need the slightly longer ones. Okay. So we're pushing that into the chassis. Again, the wire is facing backwards, so the wire is facing backwards towards the servos. I might just give it a little push, squeeze it in, make sure you don't trap the wire underneath, so that's pushed right in now. Okay. And then right here and here, at the front there, there's two holes which go through the battery compartment, through the chassis, and come out here and here. Okay, so what we need to do is to push that through the battery compartment and the chassis. Okay, a little fiddly there, which is why there's that edit there, me fiddling around with it. But eventually it's pushed through. There it is, sticking out. And we take our aluminium post and we screw it onto there. And to be honest, you can probably hold that still with your finger and screw it on tight enough. That's good enough. So maybe we don't need that screwed over after all. Okay, let's try the second one, see if we can do this one without an edit. Okay, again a little fiddly, so one more edit, just so you don't have to watch me fiddling around with it, but it's through now. There it is, sticking out. Post number 2. Screw it on. Okay, so there it is. Got 2 posts. Battery compartment's nice and firm. 2 servos still in. Okay. Okay, so next we've got 2 more posts to attach. Same length as these ones. These ones are going to go at the back here and here. We can use metal bolts this time, so don't need to worry about the batteries. It's away from the battery compartment. And again we're back to crossheads. Okay, so it sticks out the front. There it is. Screw on the post. Maybe just hold it with your finger. Screw it on. Okay. And the other one. Okay, so this is going to be a little platform where the parallax shield is going to fit, and obviously that's where the batteries are going to go. Okay, one more job to do before we can put the wheels on, and that is dealing with these wires. Now we need the wires on this side. This is where the parallax shield is going to go, so these are going to connect into that. So we need to thread the wires through this hole in the middle. And before we do that, we need to fit this little squishy rubber grommet. That's there to protect the wires. This can be quite sharp, this metal edge, so we want to protect the wires. And we do that by just pushing that into the hole. It's got a little groove around the middle, so the groove fits into the hole. Just fitting there, and on the other side, just make sure. Okay, so now that's in. We'll start with the 2 servo wires, so pop that one through, just pull it through. And the other one. And last of all, the power cable. It can be a bit of a squeeze, but it will go. A little push. Comes to the other side. Okay, make sure those wires are all nice and neat. You need to come through just a little bit more. And then we're ready to get the wheels on, get the shield on, get our robot moving.